Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open bank account online on ANZ Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for ANZ Bank, and let's click on bank accounts over here. Now simply tap on apply now over here. Now choose your account type, and if you have already banked with ANZ Bank, click on yes, and if not, simply click on no. And if you hold Commonwealth Senior Health Card or any of this given mentioned things, simply click on yes, and if not, let's go for no and click on continue. Now let's click on continue. Now we need to enter our details, that is personal details here at first, and simply click on next. After this, we need to enter our contact details and employment or financial details. After all of that, we need to enter our tax information and security information, and after that, in account options, we need to choose the account type we want, and we need to review all of the information we have given and submit it, and we need to submit our identification cards as well. And after this, finally our outcome will be done, that is our account will be created. So that is all we can do to open ANZ bank account online. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.